So, in the meantime, I'm going to allow this to run, and we're going to detail a couple of other of our favorite appliances.
Um, yeah, this is sick. Before we get into all that, I'm like so impressed by this thing already. That's
I'm
insane.
actually really impressed. It's not that loud. I expected it to be
So did
louder. I
I.
don't know why. But it's not bad at all. We actually took the plunge on this. It's an investment, but our kids are obsessed with slushies. They
Beyond obsessed.
all
Like,
if they could have one every single day, they would have one every single day.